Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to solve the 3 marks question from the function unit. Write a function definition, replace, take the input in the list form, search the number and replace the same number by star. So we will start the function definition by writing def replace and two arguments we will take L, x which is passed by the function calling statement. Then we will write for I in range 0, length of L. If Li equal to x, one by one element we will match. If the element is matched, then it will be replaced by star. Then we will print the whole list. So using the eval function, we will enter the list. X is equal to int input, enter the number to be replaced. Then we will call replace function. So by passing L, x list and the number to be replaced, we will write the function definition. So the output will be, if we are passing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number to be replaced is 4. So 1, 2, 3, star 5 will be the output. I hope you have understood the concept. Please like, share and subscribe the video for more such updates. Thanks for watching.